Hello everyone, thank you for watching this introductory video of SD Group Joint Stock Company. This video is going to give you an overall introduction about SD Group services and their most outstanding features as a supplier and a training center of human workforce to work overseas. The corporate governance apparatus of the company is divided into four main departments: the training department, the foreign relation department, the office of records management, and the recruitment department. Firstly, the training department's objective is to help the participants overcome the language barrier prior to their trip to work overseas, and in order to achieve that objective, the company has gathered highly trained and experienced groups of teachers who will not only train the students in terms of language, but also share with them real-life experiences when working in a particular country. The mission of the Foreign Relations Department is to connect and stand as a bridge between enterprises and corporations. The personnel of this department take care of negotiations, contract signing procedures, and follow the process closely to make sure that the contract is beneficial for the clients and prevent any possible violation that may occur while the contract is in effect. The staff in the office records management are highly experienced with procedures and processing documents, which will ensure to catch up with the entry schedule set by our client. The recruitment department ensures the number of participants and the level of competence for each order, and they make sure to meet the requirements set by the clients in each order for smooth operation. Every morning, the participants will take part in a simple morning workout routine. After this morning routine, they'll go back to their classes to start their language training and vocational training. The training process is divided into two main parts: pre-employment training and intensive training. In the first period, the participants will be vocationally trained and receive language training from 7 to 15 days for the recruitment, including introducing oneself in a foreign language, introducing one's job responsibilities and the enterprise indicated in the order during the interview for the vacancy role, practice technical skills related to the orders, and interview etiquettes. The participant will grasp the main idea of the job and specific sets of skills for the intensive training. Moving on to the intensive training, the period for language training ranges from 4 to 6 months. Participants will receive advanced skills training related to the orders such as garment, welding, or nursing. In addition to the language, the workforce will also learn more about the foreign culture. The class that you are watching right now is for participants who are already recruited. Therefore, for the next 4 to 6 months, they will be intensively trained in the foreign language as well as their designated professions, which may include garment, welding, forklift driving, and nursing. Furthermore, they will also learn more about knowledge relating to the destination's country's culture and people for better preparation and working in the future. With an aim to provide a diverse, high-skilled workforce with strong work ethics and communication skills. In addition to language, the company also focuses on training technical skills for students to meet the requirements for professions such as turnery, welding, mechanics, sewing, nursing, and forklift driving. Training for each profession will occur in separate workshops with appropriate machines and gadgets. The student will be taught to operate the equipment relating to their professions in both theory and practice under the instruction and supervision of their trainers. To help them better vision their work responsibilities, the classroom is equipped with appropriate machines along with modern infrastructures and workwear to provide a comfortable and safe training environment for the students. For example, in the workshop for welding training, after receiving education in theory to best understand the construction and how to manually use the tools, the students are now putting on protective clothing to start practicing with the tools and equipment under the instruction of the teacher. The practice session is strictly hosted under the safety guidelines, so the students must wear appropriate gadgets like gloves, masks before starting their training. The students are divided to practice in pairs and are assigned to work in smaller booths for a more effective and safe training environment. Each booth is equipped with appropriate machinery and robots to best serve the students' practice. The same training is applied for forklift driving. After receiving a brief demonstration and illustration on how to operate the machine, the students will take turn practice to get used to the car and learn how to manually control it to best serve its purpose. After studying for half a day, the students will now go to the canteen where the lunch is already prepared to recharge their energy. The food is cooked in a sanitized environment. It is important for the kitchen to provide a variety of dishes for the students while making sure that the meal is both delicious and nutritious. After lunch, the students are encouraged to go back to their dormitories to fully rest and prepare for the afternoon classes. Dormitory rooms are fully equipped with facilities such as air conditioners, heaters, ceiling fans to ensure the quality of life for students after each language learning and vocational training sessions. Male and female dormitories are separated.